Hello, this is Guy Barker here. Welcome to Herbi.org. Today I'm going to give a demonstration of how you can customize the letters shown in the Herbi Writer handwriting development software so that the sample letters look like whatever you would like them to be. Here we have Herbi Writer showing the default set of letters called lowercase letters. And in fact at the top here it says showing lowercase letters, and it's showing an H, so if I write an H, I'll try again. If I write an H, there we go, then Herbi Writer said that was close enough. Now say I want to show a set of letters where the letters are of a different style, not this default look here, but say they should look more like the shape of the letters that your students are already used to. So how you do that is click the Advanced button here. Okay, and now a list appears with all the sets of letters that are known to Herbi Writer, and it's highlighted the one that's currently set, which is the lowercase letters one here. Now there's a button over here that says Add Letter Set, so I'm going to click that. Okay, and the first thing I do is give my new set of letters a name. So let's call it, say, my letters. Okay, now when you create a new set of letters, it initially is a copy of an existing set, and the set that's used as the base is whatever's highlighted in this list here. That says lowercase letters. So if I just wanted to create a set of letters that was a copy of the default set, then I'd just click Create Now. Okay, and when I do this, I'm back at the previous window, and the new letter set that says My Letters is now in the list and it's highlighted. So normally what you'd want to do, having done that, is actually change the look of the letters in your new letter set. And how you do that is by clicking the Customize Letters button here, and when you do that, you're customizing whichever set is highlighted over here, which is My Letters. So I'll say Customize Letters. Okay. And up comes a new window with a list of letters there, which are all the ones in the new letter set, which are at the moment all the ones that were in the set of letters on which this new one's based, and it's showing the first letter, which is A. So this is the default look of the A. Now say I want the A to look more cursive, so I'll draw a cursive A here. Okay, and I'll say, well, I'm not very happy with that one, so I don't want to go ahead with that, so I'll hit the clear button. I'll try again. No, I'm still not happy with that. I'll hit clear. Okay, I'll try one more time. Okay, that looks fair enough. So I'll now click the Apply button. It says the sample letter has now been changed. So I'll click OK. And over here, you can see what the sample letter now looks like. So normally what you'd want to do is go through the entire alphabet. So I'll click Next, which is B. I'll draw a cursive B here, then Apply, Next, C, Apply, I'll do a couple more, Next, D, Apply, and I'll do one more, E. Okay, and this is where you would actually go through the entire alphabet. And I'll hit Close. Okay, so say I'm now happy with the customization I've done. I'll click OK, and now if I go and choose any of the custom letters like A, it now shows the one that's a bit more cursive, so A. And I'll do B, and there's the cursive B, and I'll do one more, let's say D. Oops, let's do D. Okay. Okay, and like I said, you would normally go through customizing the entire set of letters. And you can do this as many times as you want. If I wanted to change the ones I've just done, I go back to My Letters, Customize Letters, and I could change my cursive one to be A to be a little bit more cursive. So you can do it as many times as you want. Okay, now if later on you decide that you don't like the name of My Letters, because in fact you've created a few of them, you could click the Rename Letter Set button here and rename the My Letters set to have whatever name you want. And similarly, if I wanted to get rid of it completely, I could hit delete letter set and say, you sure you want to delete this? And I'll say yes in this case. Okay, and it's gone. Now, say I wanted to create a new set of letters where I wanted to add to the number of things in that set. So say there's a numbers set here. So I'm going to say add letter set, and I'm going to call this one my numbers. Okay, and now it's important to notice I've got to base this on the numbers set, not the lowercase letters set. So I'll click create. Okay, and there's a set called my numbers. And say the my numbers set basically has the numbers 0, 1, 2 up to 10. But say I wanted to add a 20 to this. I'll close this. I'll say add letter. I'll type the name of the new letter for the set my numbers. So I'll call it 20. Okay, and it says, well, there's a new letter. It calls it with the name 20, added to the new set my numbers. It says it currently looks like a lowercase a. So I'll click OK and go to customize letters. Okay, let's have a look. And there we go. There's a 20 in the list that I've just added. And sure enough, like it said, it looks like an A. Well, that's no good. So I'm going to write 20 there. No, I don't like the look at that one. I'll do that one again. And click apply. OK. Close. And OK. And now up here it says showing my numbers. And I want to look at my 20. And that's the 20 I've just added. So by doing this, you can add new, even though we call them letters, in this case it looks like a number, you can add new items in your new letter sets. And similarly, if I go back to the advanced, I could rename a letter if I wanted to, call it something else, or I could delete the letter. So it says delete letter, which one do you want to delete? So by doing this, you can build up new letter sets that contain pretty much anything you want. Now, in fact, a friend of mine was good enough to create four new letter sets, such that the letters look like letters from the Polish and Russian alphabets, and so that's fun. So if we go to settings here, we'll say I want the current letter set to be lowercase Polish. Click OK. Now, at the moment, Herbi Writer won't actually show the non-English letters in this list. So the name of the letters is actually still based on the English alphabet, but the look of them is, sure enough, not English. So that's a Polish character. If I pick another one, there's another Polish character, and there's another one. And similarly, I could go to, say, the Russian set of letters, and there's a Russian character. Let's have a look. There's another one. So by doing this, you can not only change the look of the letters to be more similar to what your students are used to, but also add non-English characters as well. And now, I'm sure over time I'll need to improve the letter evaluation process in Herbi Writer such that it does a better job at evaluating non-English characters. But if I get feedback helping me understand where I need to make these improvements, I'll definitely do my best to do that. And on that note, if you have any comments about this or requests for changes to make this more helpful, I'll do my best to make the changes, and so let me know at barker@herbi.org, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.